but is all right? So now we are all here in this beautiful place, and I'm sorry for this inadequacy here. Uh, they had very little time to do something about it, but I've asked them to get something more, and if you people help them, then they might be able to tie up something more for your protection from the. Are you all right underneath this? We are all very satisfied people. But your all faces are reddened. I feel terrible about it. What we can do is to, after this program, now the program is like this. I'll be here every day, say we'll keep it now from 10 o'clock, but you want to have more time in the sea, that's the trouble is. So, if you could little bit reduce it, then I could be here by 10 o'clock, and by 11 o'clock we'll finish this session in this place which is very hot. And then you can go and rest in the places where there is some sort of a growth of some trees. Underneath that you can rest for a while, and then you can have also your food. And in the evening this is all right, but for the daytime I think I should come here earlier. Problem could be solved. बोला त्यांना कुठे गेले बघदो तर प्रोग्राम बदलायला पाहिजे. कॅन डू प्रोग्राम बदलायला पाहिजे म्हणजे तरी साधेल. कारण एवढ्या सगळ्यांचे तोंड बघा कसे लाल झालेत. नाही नाही आता जमणार नाही. मी आता काय म्हणते प्रोग्राम बदलूया. थांब प्रोग्राम बदलते. I think we should change the program if you don't mind. You come here about for your meditation. 6 o'clock, is it all right for you? All right. So 6 to 7 if you do your meditation, then 7 to 8 up to 9 o'clock you can finish your breakfast and come here. I'll come here about say 8:30. We'll have a little talk, and then you can go about 9:30 to the seashore. And on the seashore then you could be there for some time till you come back, but come before 11 o'clock. You should not be there for a longer period than that, but you might get some troubles. And then you can rest, or if you want you can take your baths after that and work it out. And then the food will be served at 12:30. Baba? Baba? Tumhi ikde. So we'll have to change the program. Yeah. सगळ्यांचे तोंड तापले ह्याने. ते नुसतं काय नाही वरती ते लावून ठेवलं आहे. असं उन्हात कसे बघा आणि उन्हाची सवय नाही, तोंड सगळ्यांनी तापून गेलं. नसते पैसे वाचवले. बरं बसा. मी काय म्हणते आता प्रोग्राम बदला. सकाळी 6ला मेडिटेशन. 6 o'clock in the morning meditation. 6 to 7 about say meditation. Then you can have your breakfast. 7 to 8 or 7 to 8:30. I should be here by 9 or 8:30 if you want. And then we'll have a little talk for some time, and then you go to your sea bath and then come back here before 11:30. Let us put it like that. Then you can have your baths. You can have your baths and you get ready for your lunch. Lunch will be at 1 o'clock. 1 to 2 or 2:30 will be the lunch hour. After the lunch hour, you can go into the shady places and rest there. Will be better. Till about 4 o'clock or 4:30, and then you will have your tea. We are thinking of organizing some games and some social meetings among yourselves. You can meet here, whichever way you like, about say 4:30 or 5 o'clock if you like. 5 o'clock, har garmi bhai.
4:30 to 5 is tea. And 4:30 to 5 is tea.
4:30 to 5 is tea, all right.
And then 5 onwards.
4:30 to 5:30 is tea.
Yes.
And then you could just meet each other here. and you could have little sports if you want to have anything. Then we start our program 6:30. Night la bare
By 6,
6:30 we start our music. I'll come here 6:30. Then I'll speak to you about 7 o'clock. We start our music program. End it up by 10 o'clock. We shouldn't spend more time than 3 hours for music. So every day, everybody should get a chance to sing. Also, morning time you can sing anytime you want to. Say after breakfast, you can come and sing here. You can arrange that for yourself because you are free. Every day you want to go to the sea, sure? Why are you so mad? It's all right once in a while, but I think too much going to the sea is also not very good. Going to the extremes is not a very good idea. So the leader should sit down and organize it. So the timing is like this. That 6 o'clock is the meditation that everybody has to do. 6 to 7, then has to finish it. Then what you have to do is to have a 7 to 8, the 9.
7 to 8:30.
7 to 8:30 is, write it down. 7 to 8:30 is your
Breakfast time.
breakfast time. 8:30,
We could reassemble here, Shimada, for music or something.
you can assemble here for some music for an hour or so. So 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Now those who want to go to the seashore can go. Those who want to come for music can come here. Indians never go to seashore every day. I think,
We can create the sea for you through music.
I mean, it's wasting your time like these hours together in the sea. It's all right once in a while. I mean, even if we go to the river Ganges, we don't go every day. One should not do everything extreme, just like as if you have never seen the sea sort of thing, you see. So then you could have some music here till about 10:30 or so. Then if you want to go to the seashore, you can go. In the evening also, if you want, they can go from 4:30 onwards. You know? Now, so then we'll have music program here. Kitun pada?
Say by 6:30, Shimada, in the evening.
Nahi, sakali.
Sakali from 9 o'clock to 10:30.
9 o'clock to 10:30. All right. And those who just want to have music can go on having music. There's no need to bother. And seashore also you go for 1 hour. What do you do for so much time? There is a waste. Waste of precious time. You come all the way not to I don't want to say anything. We have to be sensible. This madness of sea bathing started only, I think, 25 years back. Otherwise, nobody used to do that. It's a madness, it is a conditioning. These entrepreneurs have put into your head that you must go to the seashore. It's just an ego trip, that's all. You must go to the sea, and when you go to the sea, you see people feel you have spent some money on your holidays, so you can boast about it. Your faces have gone red because of the sea. Now you want to become yellow or what, brown or what. And then you find for racialism. Just imagine. भयंकर गरम आहे. मला काहीतरी करायलाच पाहिजे. पण जाऊ दे आता संध्याकाळ रात्रीच. So now, then if you want to go for seashore, you can go, or you can go and rest there for a while as you please, or you can have a meeting and you can talk to people after that, whichever way you want to do. And then the lunch is at about 12:30. 12:30 till 2:30. It's quite a relaxed time. There's no hurry about it. Then you go and rest. This time you must rest under some trees or something, wherever you feel like, just go and rest for a while. Now, you'll have quite a lot of sunshine, though I'll try to make it cooler, but still. You then can go to the seashore. No, then don't go to seashore. It's dangerous. You see, I don't want you to develop skin troubles coming for your pilgrimage here. You are my wise children. You are not stupid children, huh? Then I would suggest that you rest till about, say, 4:30. 4:30 is the tea. Till about 5:30. Then you assemble here. We start our program at 6. Did you write it down? And from 6, we start our program with our music and things. I'll come here for half an hour. I'll speak to you. Music and all those things. And it will last till about 10 or 11, whatever, it's 10 o'clock. If it is better to finish by 10:30, then you have your food and sleep off. Then because next morning you have to get up early. But when you get up early, you need not sort of do bathing and all that. If you can do it, then you have to get up at 5. I mean, I get up every day at 4 o'clock, no doubt about it. So if you want to do that way, you can do it. We have to remember that we have come here for an ascent and not for fun, one thing. And also not for spoiling our health, for second. So these two things are to be looked after. And there should be a kind of a seriousness of achieving that ascent. Now, regarding some other things are that tomorrow morning, say for example, after your breakfast, we'll first have a sale of saris and things, whatever it is here. Sale of things, whatever you want to have. And but I would request Indians not to buy just now. Let the foreigners buy. I can always get them. Indians shouldn't buy any saris to begin with. But we couldn't get their hands on many printed saris we wanted to bring because the prices of silk have gone up double, so we didn't bring them. But I would request you that you please don't, Indians should not buy any saris or kurtas or anything, whatever is there, is first let them buy the things. Once they are finished with it, then it will be all right. Now today is just an introduction, so I'm not going to give you a lecture or anything. But one has to remember we have come here for a pilgrimage. We have come here to establish our peace within ourselves. And for that we have to work it out with understanding. And we have to make a full effort that we become collective and we become more sensible. Our attention should be good. And attention should be such that you can absorb the vibrations. I don't have to speak. I don't have to manipulate. I don't have to say anything. Vibrations are flowing. It only depends on your suction power, how much you absorb. So it is a very simple thing one has to understand. Next year, I'm sure we'll make a building here, so you won't have all these problems of heat. We had to do an ad hoc arrangement, you see, because of certain people who objected, but now it's solved there. And that's why the problem has come. Doesn't matter, but I'm sure you can adjust to it. So for today's main, again, problem is the last but not the least, are the marriages which are being fixed. And the new suggestions have also coming. Now today is the last day. Now if you try to change after this, I will say that please, I'm sorry. Because you see there's so many other things to be done. And secondly, those who are not yet married, those who are still there, who want to get married, or those who have new proposals, please send them over. If you send them over, I'll organize it and I'll manage it. But if you go on one by one, it's a bit difficult. Now we have already organized everybody's marriages, and as you know, where is he gone? He's carrying that file, and as soon as I see the file, I laugh. He's poor thing, I tell you, everybody's saying, I don't like this, I don't like that. But there's no solid reason. If there's any solid reason for what purpose you don't like, it's all right. Now, bhai. Have you had your breakfast?
इनके लिए हिब्रू शॉल्स लाए हैं, हिब्रू शॉल्स लाए हैं।
वो तो हम ही देने वाले हैं।
इधर रखे हैं पीछे।
दोनों के लिए? अच्छा. Now, first and foremost thing I would like to do for the new year, I want to give presents to the foreign Sahayogis, myself. These are general presents, but I will be giving to also to the leaders later on, but just now these are general. I hope you like them. Anybody can help me here? Okay, Antonio, just come. So there are two types of shawls, one for ladies who are shorter and one for taller ladies. Show them. This is for the taller ones. This one is for the men. The name of the shawls is called as Himru shawls. They are made only in the Aurangabad district by hand, woven by hand. And the designs are different as much as you think it proper. But whichever comes your way, please take it. Now don't go on changing them. I don't like this. This word I don't like it has to go out of our dictionary. All right? Now, so what should we do? How should we distribute? You don't have to get up, all of you.
We could give it to the leadership.
अब फिर आके बैठ जाएंगे फिर से. All right, you can all get up and come here. Somebody, the leader should come. How are you standing? You come here.
I think
Yogi.
country-wise.
No, it's all right. Let them come one by one. Let them come. The leaders can come here. For the ladies, lady leaders should come here. Put them that side. And he can all put all. The tall ladies, you see, should take taller ones with understanding. Taller ones, you put it on one side. These are for taller. This is for the tall women. And the shorter women are there. I hope you like them. It's pure cotton. That's the point. करतील ते लोक करतील त्यांनाच करतील सब ले आइए सब come. You don't have to open, you can see from outside. These are all big ones. You see, the smaller ones you get, you comparatively you can see from outside. So, you see, there are 200. How many can you open? These are for men.
You could distribute them.
First, let all the leaders have one. Not all right. Later on.
They can carry on distribute them, Shrimati.
All right.
You can go and distribute.
Distribute them. Yes, you please. Better distribute them. It's better, right? Or they are about 200. 200 से ज़्यादा है?
250 are these.
हाँ, and they are altogether?
240.
छोटी बड़ी देखें, सफ़ेद वाली भी है? Again. 7 times. पडदे जरा वर उचलून घ्या मला बांधलेले पडदे उचलून घ्या तुम्ही तिथे मंत्र म्हणतायत ना त्यांना जाऊन सांगितलं पडदे वरती करा चालू त्या व्यवस्थित तुम्ही यांना सांगा मगदूमला सांगा ते करतील वरती.
मी करतो शॉर्ट. मुंबईची युवा शक्ती, मुंबई आणि पुण्याची युवा शक्ती, जरा उभं राहावं. मुंबई आणि पुण्याची युवा शक्ती,
साईडचे उघडून टाका.
जरा इकडे या. हे बघा, हे जे पडदे आहेत ना,
तिकडे पण दुसरे पडदे लावले, त्याची काय गरज आहे?
हे पडदे वरती करा.
नाही पण त्याच्या मागे पडदे आहेत. ते तरी वर लावून टाका.
Has everybody got the shawls and the, if there are any left over, please bring them back. Or if anybody has not got them.
There has to be because we don't have to. Those who have got shawls are all right, but those who haven't got, those who have got extra shawls, please bring them here. There are some shawls lying there. Ole, they want.
Anybody who's not got the shawls, please come to the stage and take them.
All of you have got? No? How can that be?
Somebody told us to sit down.
Huh?
Somebody told us to sit down and wait.
Who called you? There were 220 shawls. Who has taken 2? There must be.
How many ladies there?
इधर नहीं है ladies.
क्या ladies ज़्यादा होंगी फिर?
नहीं. How many ladies we have?
How many ladies do we have? We have the majority of ladies.
How many, David, how many ladies are there? More than 220?
No, there were 178 for their saris. Only. Didn't get the saris also?
We didn't order the sari.
How many you have, you tell me? How many ladies you have? All right. Please be seated. There are at least 100 more. They can't be 300, I'm sure.
श्रीमाता जी,
सगळे शाल ले आए क्या? गिने थे क्या?
ये information.
All right, we are trying to find out what has happened. Might be. मंगाइए, ये भी कम पड़ गए. How many men? नहीं तो भी कम है, कम है. How many men there are? Now 2 more ladies can have it, whichever is this. Come along. Come along, 2. They are all coming now, coming more. Uh-huh. Galina, Galina. Give it to them. मंगा लो उधर से. ऑलराइट, किसी को भेज दीजिए, ले आएंगे. किसके पास है? किसके पास चाबियां हैं? Are engaged with Indian girls can see them, and if they want, well and good. If they don't want, they can tell. All right. So may God bless. Are you happy now? All right. त्यांचं नाही जमणार, नाही जमणार, मोठं कठीण. मी दाखवलं पुष्कळ. राहू देत, बघू पुढल्या वर्षी. जमत नाही, मी प्रयत्न केला. तिचं जरा अजून लेफ्ट अधिष्ठान आहे तिला फोटोवर. ते लोकांना समजतं ना ते. राहू द्या मग, पुढल्या वर्षी बघू नक्की. हां, पुढल्या वर्षी स्वच्छ होऊन जाईल. काळजी करू नका. पुढल्या वर्षी होऊन जाईल.
Tashri and Jayashri Bashetti.
ना कोणाशी? Two Australian boys are married to them, are to be married. क्या नाम बोलो? All right, you can go now. तुम्ही जा.
James Diwale, Jayashri,
जयश्री कोण आहे?
Jayashri.
जयश्री.
and announce James Diwale.
James Diwale.
जयश्री पुढे. All Indian are there. That's the girl. इकडे पुढे. All right, we got this. You wanted that. All right.
One minute. James Diwale and Jayashri.
Bashetti.
Lindol Diwale. Lindol Diwale. Doll. Okay, Lindol Diwale. Huh? Lindon. All right. Lindon Diwale. I stand corrected. Linden Diwale, not London Diwale.
All right, good.
Congratulations.
May God bless. Ah, तुम्ही बोलो.
Anis Adamopoulos.
Come along.
The way Yogi is training me, I think he's going to retire next year.
I'm the only one having a marathon race. They are all having relay. Come up. उभे राहा. तुझं नाव काय? राजश्री बशेट्टी.
Rajashri Bashetti and Anis Adamopoulos.
All right?
Am I right?
Yes. May God bless you. जा. जाऊ दे खाली. काय नाव? आधी आलंय नाव तुझं? नाही आलेलं. काय नाव तुझं? हाँ? सुनंदा जोशी. तो वो लड़का था ना, उसको उसके साथ. किती वय किती? 20. त्या वयात मुलगा मिळाला पाहिजे. बरं, नाव ठेवून घेतो आम्ही तुझं. हां, बरं, बसा. तुम्ही या पुढे जा, मग मी बघते. सुनंदा जोशी. आता इंडियन लड़कियां और बताइए.
Shimada ji, people are shouting for Ole.
given his name as yet. And I think let him work for 1 year for Sarjoga, then we'll see.
He has to build his guts up. Any other name, Akbar?
He's an okay. Spark, has he come from England? This Spark.
Spark.
Indian लड़के बर पसा Spark together. Upper Spark, has he come? Huh? Spark. The other one, जो उसका संगीता. और बस अपने अम्मी बोलो. हाँ? जरा short है दीदी लोग.
Christopher Ray Vaughan and Neelam Patil. Christopher Ray Vaughan.
हाँ? ठीक है इनके लिए. First, let him approve and let her approve. Then we should clap. All right. Christopher, you see, this is the girl. All right? Very well educated.
Pasan. Now you can clap doubly.
हाँ.
Mr. Chibba's daughter from Delhi.
किसके साथ? अच्छा फिर हमने देख ली. जान दो. कितनी एज कितनी? उम्र कितनी है आपकी? 27 साल का लड़का है. कितनी बेटा? 22. तो 27 वाला भी.
Sapna. Her name is Sapna. Sapna.
उसको देखो जो 27 साल वाला.
ठीक है जी. Should I ask her to wait, Shema?
Just she can wait for me. She can wait for me. All those who are marrying Indian girls or anyone who has not seen their fiancés should just now point out, or the boys. You have not seen? Who is your boy? Rajamani Amal, has she come? मुंबईची आहे. She's from South India. काय हो? Rajmohini Amal.
Mr. Jaikar, does that name sound familiar?
No. She's from Bombay. She's a South Indian, but. हाँ?
Ambarnath.
अंबरनाथची कुठे?
Ambarnath leader.
कोण आहे अंबरनाथचे आले?
अंबरनाथचे लीडर कोण आहेत?
काय नाईक बाई? कुठे आहे ती मुलगी? हाँ? हा येणार नाही.
माहित नाही. कोणाला माहित आहे? अंबरनाथचे कोणी अजून आहेत का ज्यांना माहिती आहे?
मग काय
जरा पुढे या सराफ साहेब.
दिल्ली वाली 20 तारीख को.
Patrice should come here.
Tenet Patrice. उसको बुलाया लड़की. Miss Chibbar, please. There. After.
They left in Pune. So when are they coming?
Really?
All right. I was about to announce that the tapes would be for sale, but Yogi has dampened my enthusiasm by saying that he forgot the tapes in Pune. But I am sure it will come. They will come in good time. A little background on this, if with the permission of Shri Mataji. The tapes will be sold in Kadve. That's the last halt before you go back home. A little background on this. It was always that Baba Mama made a cassette here or Sanjay made a cassette here, and we went and dumped the cassette on you Western Surge Yogis. We decided that the flow should come from the West. So while we were in England, we took the permission of Shri Mataji. And Darrell, I would like Darrell to stand up. Darrell, there you are. Here is this man. Would you come forward, Darrell?
And ह्याचं लग्न ठरलंय.
Who is also getting married. My sympathies to you, Darrell.
Renu Sharma from Delhi.
Renu Sharma from Delhi. My congratulations to you and sympathies to you, Darrell. In exactly 24-hour notice, Darrell offered all his services, including his studio and all the equipment, and we were able to complete this recording in 5 hours of time. First, I'll ask Darrell to come up on the stage, and I would like you to give him a very big hand.
May God bless you. That's the one. You have seen her? Good. Are you happy? Let's see it first. All right. May God bless you.
1 minute, Darrell, please. Then I got our ever-willing, enthusiastic Jose. Mr. Jose, where is he?
जेवायला जायचं बाबा.
Yeah. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
किती वाजले?
And we decided to choose the songs that would be appreciated by the Indians, sung by the Western Surge Yogi. Jose, please come here. Don't be afraid. And Jose and Kwan were very instrumental in choosing the songs. And after that, of course, the Nirmal Sangeet Sarita was there. So I will call Prabhakar Raoji Dhakre for 1 minute on the stage. Jose is thinking of making rock music now. And they sang, all the Western Surge Yogis sang about 7 songs. Am I right, Jose? We chose 7, obviously. And there was one song in that, the Mahalakshmi Stotram. which we thought they were singing in a wrong rhythm because it was in a rhythm of 7. So we decided to hammer that rhythm into Jose and his company. And myself and Sanjay Talwar were virtually hammering that rhythm into Jose and his company. And this is an effort. Sanjay Talwar. We had a program at 4:30, scheduled at 4:30, which was about 125 kilometers from where we were recording. And we had exactly 3 hours to finish, or 4 hours to finish. And in those 4 hours, thanks to Jose, thanks to Prabhakar Raoji, thanks to Sanjay, thanks to Daryl, and also thanks to Baba Mama. I don't know who he is. This cassette has come out in the grace of Shri Mataji. Thank you.
Now we all have to go for lunch. Then you please rest for a while till about 4:30 they'll offer you tea. After the tea, then will be about till 6 o'clock. And I'm very happy to announce that such a great maestro of sitar is Debu Chaudhary. We'll be playing, first we'll have other music, and then Debu Chaudhary will be playing the last. And I mean, it's such a pleasure to have him here. He's such a great Sahajogi as well as such a great player. I mean, I think one day he will cover the whole of universe the way he plays and the depth he has developed. May God bless. So I'll take your leave now. Please enjoy your lunch.